Hey friend, hope you are doing good. Once again, welcome to your own YouTube channel, Digital DB. Friend, in the last few video, we have seen how to create and set up your YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna learn step by step way to upload your video on YouTube, just using your phone. So friend, let's start today's video without any delay. Friend, to upload your video on YouTube, first you have to open YouTube app on your phone. Once your YouTube app is loaded, tap to plus icon at the bottom and select video from the menu. Once you tap on video icon, all the video on your phone will appear. From here select the video you want to upload on YouTube. Friend, now YouTube will ask you to give few important details about the video like title. Write title of your video and move down. If you want to learn how to write title of your video, then you can watch my detailed video on writing attractive title. Now, the next detail you have to write is description of your video. It means the summary of the content of the video. For now, I will copy the title of the video and paste it in the description. But description includes many other things apart from title. If you want to know how to write perfect description for your video, then don't forget to watch my video on how to write description. The link is given in the description below. Now, the next detail you need to provide is visibility of your video. You can set your video public or private as per your requirement. But if you are in YouTube for making money, then your video must be public. If you set your video to be private, nobody will see it. So always make your video public. After that, the next detail you have to set is your audience. Audience may either be kids or adults. Remember my friend, if your video is made for kids, no advertisement will be displayed on your video and no money is earned from YouTube. In order to monetize and earn money from YouTube channel, create video content that are not for kids. So select your audience wisely my friend. Friend, now you have to find and select your country. You can also create and select playlist for your video. After that, if your video is made by using content of other content creators, select content alteration option. Following this, now set video remixing permission and set promotional level. If you are promoting product or services, select yes. After this, you are all done with providing detail of your video to YouTube. Now click upload tab to start uploading your video. Friend, your video will take some time for uploading on YouTube. After successful upload, you can check the video on your YouTube channel, which will look like this. Now you can watch your video and, if everything is okay, you can share the video with your family and friends through WhatsApp, Facebook and any other platform. So friend, in today's video, we have learned step-by-step way to upload video on YouTube just using your phone. Hey friend, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe my Digital DB YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting more interesting videos like this in future. So, till then stay safe my friend, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.